Hi, my name is Melissa Broad, the owner of I Do Weddings in San Diego, California. I'm here today to show you how to create your very own DIY centerpiece on a budget. One of my favorite things to do when creating something on my own, particularly for a wedding, is to bring the outside in. So what I've done today is I purchased wholesale this piece of grapewood. It's sandblasted, it's really funky and different. And if you are looking for something like this, you can certainly find it online. But one of my favorite ways to do it on a budget is to look at websites like Ruffled, where they have a Craigslist for brides, or Craigslist, or your local bridal chat boards. And there's a lot of brides that have already gotten married that sell items like this. So to create a centerpiece, this is definitely for a more earthy wedding. If you're looking for something a little bit more modern, this is definitely a great way to go, but this can go a lot of different ways. So what I'm doing today is I'm doing something very, very modern, perhaps for a wedding that takes place on the beach or in a really, really modern location. So for example, a museum. And you can see here, I'm just doing something very, very simple. I'm taking mini cymbidium orchids in the bride's colors, and I'm simply tucking them all over the centerpiece. Really easy to do. Anyone can do it on the day of the wedding, so the bride doesn't actually have to be there doing this. She can instead be in hair and makeup, and they can be entrusted with pretty much anyone. And it's very, very easy. You don't have to worry about things being less perishable because they were done several days in advance or the night before. And at the end of the evening, cleanup is a breeze. People can take blooms, they can put them in their hair, they can dance and do whatever they want to do. And if you want to keep your piece of grapewood, all you have to do is just let your DJ know, and then you can sell it to the next bride after you're done with it. Or keep a few pieces. I like to keep mine on my nightstand, and I put my jewelry on it. So just something fun and different. And then what I would do with this is I would surround it with tons and tons of candles, perhaps at a few different heights, depending on the style of your wedding. And there you go, your very own DIY wedding centerpiece on a budget. I'm Melissa Broad with I Do Weddings, and thanks so much for joining me.